In 2022, the corporate world prioritized a specific promise. Artificial intelligence could do the work of 10 people at 1/10 of the price. The immediate result was a wave of massive workforce reductions. From Silicon Valley tech giants to drive-through windows at fast food chains, businesses scrambled to integrate AI into their daily operations. Algorithms began performing the work of entire teams in a matter of minutes. Companies like Microsoft replaced human roles with these tools because at the time, a machine was significantly cheaper to maintain than a human salary. Corporate America had established a clear, cold philosophy. Human labor was viewed as an expensive liability. The logic came down to a simple mathematical equation. On one side, you have an engineer earning $500,000 a year. On the other, a digital AI token that costs fractions of a cent to generate.
But the high cost of scaling these models is now causing severe financial strain for the same companies that rushed to adopt them. The original cost-saving calculation missed several hidden variables, and those oversights are currently overturning the corporate balance sheet. By 2023, the era of optional AI use ended. Management began requiring employees to use these tools to meet key performance indicators, turning high AI usage into a metric for modern efficiency. Under pressure to look productive, workers started using tokens for even the most insignificant tasks, just to juice internal leaderboards. This behavior quickly earned a nickname among developers, token maxing. It became common for a $500,000 engineer to burn through $250,000 worth of tokens in a single year, largely to appear more efficient at the end of the month. This internal corporate psychology created an astronomical demand for AI computing power that bore little relation to real productive output. While digital tokens appear weightless, they are generated by physical server racks that require massive amounts of power and specialized hardware. That artificially inflated demand slammed into a supply chain already struggling to produce enough electronic components to keep up. The bottleneck is so severe that Bloomberg reports nearly 50 corporate finance departments are realizing their annual AI budgets are vanishing in weeks, leading to a sudden shift in strategy. To stop the financial bleeding, executives at companies like Microsoft have been forced to explicitly ban their own engineers from using certain high-cost AI coding tools. The software once marketed as the ultimate cost saver has morphed into a financial liability that many companies are now struggling to justify. Currently, leading AI companies like OpenAI and Anthropic are operating at a loss. They have been using abundant funding to subsidize the true market price of their tokens. Moving toward public listings, these companies must generate actual profits. Anthropic's revenue is projected to triple from $3 billion to $9.6 billion. That revenue comes from end users. The price per million tokens has doubled and will climb as firms stop operating at a loss. The era of investor-subsidized AI is over. The true cost of the technology is finally reaching the free market. With token prices rising and infrastructure bottlenecked, businesses are reevaluating the baseline cost of human labor versus AI agents. According to Reuters, the cost of running AI agents is already becoming comparable to human staff. While AI remains cheaper for coding, that advantage disappears in data entry, and in call centers, human labor is actually the more cost-effective choice. Looking back at our financial scale, the equation has reversed. A massive volume of tokens is now a significant drag on the balance sheet, meaning a human salary can suddenly be the more affordable path. Corporate America's pursuit of AI efficiency has created a paradox. By driving up the cost of automation, they have unintentionally re-established the economic value of very human workers they previously laid off.